And what I always do on PCs, speakers, all type of radios, all that stuff, is I keep the speakers. Usually they're always good. When I deal with this stuff, it's usually, it hasn't been sitting on the curb or anything, possibly ruined by rain or anything. So I take these from PCs and laptops and I sell them, and you can get quite a bit for them compared to what you'd get for scrap. I recently sold about 14 speakers to someone who wanted to create something, and he was more than happy to pay $2 a set. So, sorry, $2 a speaker. So, made about $30 off speakers. So I always keep those.